Welcome to ArtMagic.
Ramadan, a joyous Islamic festival celebrated worldwide. Begin by drawing a gentle curve resembling a crescent moon. Add another curved line parallel to the first, mirroring its shape, but leave some space between them to create depth. Start by drawing a rectangle with slightly rounded corners to depict the base of the mosque. On top of the rectangle, draw a series of domes with varying sizes, positioned strategically to create an elegant silhouette. Add details such as arches, windows, and minarets to embellish the mosque's structure. Extend two lines upwards from the central dome to form the minarets, topped with intricate spires or crescent moons. Complete the mosque by adding smaller details like doors, geometric patterns, and embellishments to enhance its grandeur. Color the half moon with a soft yellow hue, blending it smoothly to create a radiant glow. Select vibrant colors to bring your Ramadan celebration to life. Consider using shades of blue, gold, green, and white for a traditional touch. For the mosque, opt for shades of blue or green for the domes, complemented by golden accents for the arches and minarets. Once you've finished coloring, step back and admire your masterpiece, a vibrant portrayal of Ramadan festivities. Congratulations, young artists! You've successfully captured the spirit of Ramadan through your creative expression. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.